Hi everyone, and welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. The Sophicated Ladies Club is asking all content creators to come on over and join us for a spring outdoor refresh. You can decorate your front porch, your back porch, your patio, and your yard any way you would like. The host for this month of May is Miss Penny over at Miss Penny's Place. And she just asked if you could do a before and after and to make sure that your video is no longer than 15 minutes. We do have special guests that will be co-hosting with us. Really Good Living and My Everyday Wife Life. So, get your lawn mowers together, get your grass cut, get your flowers planted, and let's see how you do your spring outdoor refresh. Now that will be the title, and you will use the hashtag Outdoor Refresh 2021, and the date is May the 28th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please show in your video how you clean and decorate your porch. Once again, it could be your patio or any place outside, and show how you refresh, decorate your space, front and back. So we look forward to all that will participate. All the information, of course, will be down in my description box, as well as any of the other Sophicated Ladies Club members, which is Tamara from Lovemybabiesforever, Miss Robin from Table Talk with Miss Robin, and of course Miss Penny from at Miss Penny's Place, Tammy Thompson, Tammy Thompson TVMG.